My socks are dry. I'm full. I'm warm. I'm just going to go ahead and get my sleeping bag here. It's been a really nice day. Oh, I'll tell you what, guys. I think I might be getting a little bit of a cold. My nose is stuffy, my throat's scratchy, and I'm just really, really tired. I think I'm just going to hang out here and watch the fire and just relax a little bit. Well, guys, it's gotten late and properly cold, but it is really warm in here. Between the heat coming up through the ground and the fire and the heat reflector stone wall I made, I mean, it's really cozy in here.